So I've done a couple of projects recently with envelopes, and I've got all these little teeny tiny scraps left now. So I'm going to play around with these and make a new notepad. So I've sorted the papers through and made them into a stack, and I'm just going to trim them down a bit smaller so they're all the same size. And now I've got a cute little paper block of scrap paper. And now I've added a same size piece of cardboard on the back, cut it from a piece of online packaging, which is flexible but firm, suits the size of the notepad, and so that's just clipped together on the back at the moment. So to make a perfect binding, I've held the little pad together with clips to the backing, and I'm just going to apply some PVA glue. So instead of using a brush to apply the glue, I'm going to use a piece of cardboard, and I'm just going to smooth the glue to the top edge in a nice thickish layer, making sure that all of the papers have some glue attached to them. And then I'm going to set it aside to dry. All seems to be dry, so that's dried nice and clear on there. So I'm just going to take the clips off. You can make it a little bit neater just with your craft knife if you want to. So maybe just slice that little bit of glue off of there, just to make it a little bit flatter. That's my perfect bound notebook. I'm just going to put a cover on it. So following on from yesterday's make it's, I've got a little bit of this decorated paper left, so I'm going to cut that to size and fold that over. So line that up on the cutting mat, and just trim the edge of that paper. Okay, so that's pretty even there. So that paper is then going to fold over, and we're going to glue it on the other side. So how much do I need to trim here? That's going to fold like that. Probably need to trim it about there. Let's turn it around that way. Trim it about there. Make sure it's nice and square. You don't have to, you can tear it if you want to, but I like things to be neat and square. So that's going to wrap around and glue there. So I'm going to use my little brush for this, and with my PVA just glue the bit that's going to be overlapping at the back. But you get the gist. And there we are, there's the finished notebook using up leftover bits of envelope paper. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new videos that are coming. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.